Hello, everyone. My name is Mike Gagan, um, and the career that I would like to pursue in psychology is a school psychologist. Here's a picture of me off on the right. It's when my wife and I went camping with some friends in Wyoming last year. So that is me. The educational requirements of a school psychologist start with a bachelor's degree, preferably in psychology or education, but it's not needed. Experience working or volunteering with children can also be beneficial, but isn't required, just because it prepares you for working with children and students later on. After that, after you complete your bachelor's, master's degree, such as a Master of Arts or Master of Education, some programs will combine a education specialist certificate with those programs, which is the Ed.S. After graduation a from grad school, you need to become licensed by the state you want to practice in as a psychologist, and to show that you can work with children in an educational setting and that you're good, with working with children in general. The National Association of School Psychologists offers their certification, which most states accept as well, sometimes in lieu of the state certification because they're nationally recognized. And then after that, you can always consider it a doctorate degree if you find something you're interested in, or if you just want to deepen your understanding, or if you're just interested in it. It's a great option after graduate school. Excuse me. I still have a ways to go to complete my 4-year plan. I've transferred several times before coming here to BYU, Idaho. And so I'm basically starting over from scratch. I am close to being a sophomore, but yeah, so it'll take a while, but I'll get there eventually. During my time here, I want to complete an internship which deals with helping or working with children, just because I think it would be really great experience and help me understand what it's like to work with children more. The past few months, I've been working as an elementary school proctor for Harwood Elementary in Rigby, for their state testing that they do for the state of Idaho. And it's been a really great experience and has given me a little bit of a glimpse into what it's like working with children every day. So that's been very nice and helped me kind of understand sort of what it's going to be like. Obviously, it's very different, but it's been interesting. Um, some of the job duties and requirements of a school psychologist are assessing and diagnosing children with learning disabilities and or mental health issues. So testing them, going over the results of the test, analyzing all of that, and then sharing them with their parents or teachers. Counseling students for a wide range of personal, social, and behavioral issues. So just being someone that they can talk to and work through things with, and just be someone who's really there for them when they need it. Having a knowledge and knowing how to use intervention techniques with at-risk or special education students, in situations where they need those, and educating students and their families about potential hazards or challenges in the school environment, such as bullying, eating disorders, and other social challenges like that. And finally, why am I majoring in psychology? I'm interested in why we behave that we do. I've always been interested in that and have loved learning about, why our brains work the way that we do and how we behave differently in social situations and things like that. I want to help children understand themselves when they're going through this very often difficult and hard to understand period in their lives, and give them the tools and knowledge that they need to succeed in school and later in life as well. I also plan on, pursuing grad school, which is a requirement to be a school psychologist after my undergrad, and the psychology major will really help prepare me for that. And so 2 out of 3 of those, the top and the bottom, I think are the most related to the answers that were provided in chapter 13 of the book. So 2 out of 3 isn't too bad. So that is my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it and have a wonderful day. Thank you.